Mensuration. You have studied certain concepts related to areas of plane figures such as triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons and circles. Now we will study how to find some measurements related to circle and surface area and volume of solid figures. Examples. The dimensions of a cuboidal water tank in centimeters are 20 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 10. Find the volume and capacity of the tank in liters. Solution. L equals to 20 centimeters, B equals to 18 centimeters and H equals to 10 centimeters. As given, volume V is to be calculated. Volume of the cuboid equals to L multiplied by B multiplied by H. Putting the values, we get 20 multiplied by 18 multiplied by 10 equals to 3600 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the cuboid is 3600 centimeter cube. Capacity of the tank is equal to 3600 by 1000, since 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeters cube is equal to 3.6 liters. Therefore, the capacity of the tank is 3.6 liters. 2. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are 10 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 13 centimeters respectively. Find its total surface area. Solution. Length L equals to 10 centimeters, breadth B equals to 6 centimeters and height H equals to 13 centimeters as given. Therefore, total surface area, that is ST, is given by 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus LH. Putting the values, we get twice of 10 multiplied by 6 plus 10 multiplied by 13 plus 6 multiplied by 13 equals to twice of 60 plus 130 plus 78 or 2 multiplied by 268 equals to 536 centimeters square. Therefore, total surface area of the cuboid equals to 536 centimeters square. 3. The sum of length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 38 centimeters and the length of its diagonal is 22 centimeters. Find the total surface area of the cuboid. Solution. Let length, breadth and height of the cuboid be L centimeters, B centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively. Given L plus B plus H equals to 38 centimeters and diagonal equals to 22 centimeters. To find total surface area, that is ST. Diagonal of a cuboid is given by root L square plus B square plus 8 square. Therefore, root L square plus B square plus 8 square equals to 22, or L square plus B square plus 8 square equals to 484. Equation 1. As L plus B plus 8 equals to 38, L plus B plus 8 whole square equals to 38 square. Therefore, L square plus B square plus 8 square plus twice of LB plus BH plus LH equals to 1444. Putting the value of L square plus B square plus 8 square from equation 1, we get 484 plus twice of LB plus BH plus LH equals to 1444. Or twice of LB plus BH plus LH equals to 1444 minus 484. Therefore, 2 multiplied by LB plus BH plus LH equals to 960. Thus, the surface area of the cuboid is 960 centimeters square. Cube. If all the edges of a cuboid are equal in lengths, then it is called a cube. In a cube, L equals to B equals to H. Formula for the cube. 1. Total surface area of the cube ST is given by 6L square. 2. Volume of the cube is given by L cube. 3. Diagonal of the cube is given by root 3 L. Example. A solid cube with side 10 centimeters cut into 8 pieces such that each piece is a cube of equal volume. Find the volume and total surface area of each piece. Examples. Volume of the solid cube is equal to L cube is equal to 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Volume of each piece is equal to 1000 by 8. Since solid cube is divided into 8 equal cubes, is equal to 125 centimeters cube. Therefore, the volume of each piece is 125 centimeters cube. Volume of each piece is equal to L cube. 125 is equal to L cube. Therefore, L is equal to 5 centimeters. Therefore, the length of each piece is 5 centimeters. Total surface area of a piece is equal to 6L square. is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 square is equal to 6 multiplied by 25 is equal to 150 centimeters square. Therefore, the total surface area of a piece is 150 centimeters square. Right circular cylinder. If the circular faces of a cylinder are parallel to each other and the line segment joining the centers of circular faces is perpendicular to the base, then the cylinder is called a right circular cylinder. 1. In a cylinder, if the radius of the base is r and height is h as shown in the figure, then surface area of cylinder is the sum of curved surface area and the area of two circular faces of the cylinder. A. Curved surface area of a cylinder represented by SC is given by area of rectangle ABCD or AB multiplied by BC. As AB forms a circle, it can be replaced by 2 pi r and BC forms the height of the cylinder represented by h. Thus, 2 pi r multiplied by h. Therefore, SC equals to 2 pi RH. B. Area of two circular faces equals to twice of pi r square or 2 pi r square. Area of two circular faces equals to 2 pi r square. C. Total surface area of a cylinder represented by ST equals to area of the curved surface plus area of circular surfaces. ST equals to SC plus area of circular faces equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square equals to 2 pi r multiplied by h plus r. Therefore, ST equals to 2 pi r h plus r. D. Volume of a cylinder V. Volume of a cylinder V equals to area of the base multiplied by height equals to pi r square multiplied by h. Therefore, V equals to pi r square h. Examples. 1. Find the volume of a cylinder of radius 7 centimeters and height 15 centimeters. Solution. Radius equals to 7 centimeters and height equals to 15 centimeters as given. Volume of a cylinder equals to pi r square h. Putting the values we get 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 into 7 into 15. Therefore, volume of the given cylinder is 2310 centimeter cube. 2. The radius and the height of a cylinder are 10 centimeters and 12 centimeters respectively. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area. Pi equals to 3.14. Solution. Given radius r equals to 10 centimeters, height h equals to 12 centimeters. To find curved surface area SC and total surface area ST. Curved surface area of a cylinder SC equals to 2 pi RH. Putting the values in the formula, we get 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 12 equals to 753.6. Thus, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 753.6 square centimeter. Total surface area of a cylinder ST is given by 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h. Putting the values in the formula, we get 2 multiplied by 3.14 into 10 multiplied by 10 plus 12 equals to 2 into 3.14 multiplied by 10 into 22 equals to 1381.6. Therefore, the curved surface area of cylinder is 753.6 centimeters square and the total surface area of cylinder is 1381.6 centimeters square. Write circular cone. For a cone with base radius r and height h, L square equals to h square plus r square by Pythagoras theorem. 1. Slant height represented by L equals to square root of h square plus r square. 2. Curved surface area of the cone equals to area of sector equals to r, that is radius, upon 2 multiplied by L, that is length of the arc, equals to L upon 2 multiplied by 2 pi r, as radius of sector equals to L. Curved surface area of the cone is given by pi r L. 3. Area of the base equals to area of the circle given by pi r square. Total surface area of the cone equals to curved surface area plus area of base equals to pi RL plus pi R square. Total surface area of the cone equals to pi R L plus R. 4. Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 times the volume of a cylinder having the same radius and height. Therefore, volume of a cone is given by 1 upon 3 pi R square h. Examples. 1. Find the total surface area of a cone of radius 6 centimeters and height 8 centimeters. Pi equals to 22 upon 7. Solution. Given radius r equals to 6 centimeters, height h equals to 8 centimeters. To find total surface area of a cone, slant height L equals to square root of r square plus h square. Putting the values of r and h in the formula, we get square root of 6 square plus 8 square equals to root 100, that equals to 10. Total surface area of a cone ST equals to pi R multiplied by L plus R equals to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10 plus 6 equals to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 16 equals to 2112 upon 7, that equals to 301.71. Therefore, total surface area of the given cone is 301.71 centimeters square. 2. The radius of the cone is 7 centimeters. Find its volume if the height of the cone is double its radius. Solution. Given radius r equals to 7 centimeters, height h equals to 2r, that is 2 multiplied by 7 or 14 centimeters. To find volume of the cone, volume of a cone represented by V equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h equals to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 into 7 multiplied by 14 equals to 2156 upon 3. Therefore, volume of the given cone is 718.67 centimeter cube. Frustum of the cone. If a cone is cut off by a plane parallel to the base, not passing through the vertex, the part left over towards the base is called the frustum of the cone. Let h be the height, L the slant height, R1 and R2 are the radii of the frustum of the cone, where R1 is greater than R2. Formula for the frustum of the cone. 1. Slant height L is given by square root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. 2. The curved surface area is given by pi R1 plus R2 L. 3. Total surface area is given by pi R1 plus R2 L plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. 4. Volume V is given by 1 upon 3 pi multiplied by R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 multiplied by R2 h. Example: if the radii of the circular ends of a conical bucket, which is 30 centimeters high, are 14 centimeters and 7 centimeters, find the total surface area and the capacity of the bucket. Solution: radii of the circular ends are R1 equals to 14 centimeters and R2 equals to 7 centimeters and height equals to 30 centimeters. Slant height L is given by square root of h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Putting the values in the formula, we get square root of 30 square plus 14 minus 7 whole square equals to square root of 900 plus 49. Therefore, slant height of the bucket equals to root 949 centimeters. Total surface area of the bucket is equal to pi R1 plus R2 L plus pi R2 square. Putting the values in the formula, we get is equal to 22 upon 7 into 14 plus 7 into root of 949 plus 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Is equal to 66 root of 949 plus 154 is equal to 154 plus 66 root of 949 centimeters square. Capacity of the bucket or volume of the bucket is given by 1 upon 3 pi h multiplied by R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 multiplied by R2 equals to 1 upon 3 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into 30 multiplied by 14 square plus 7 square plus 14 multiplied by 7. Equals to 22 upon 21 multiplied by 343 multiplied by 30. Equals to 10.78 liters. Total surface area of the bucket is 154 plus 66 root 949 centimeters square and its capacity is 10.78 liters. Circle, arc, sector, segment in a circle. In the given figure, AXB is a minor arc. AYB is the major arc. Theta is the central angle. OAXB is the minor sector. The remaining sector OAYB is the major sector. Shaded region AXB is the minor segment. AYB is the major segment. 1. Length of an arc. A. Length of an arc of a circle, that is, arc length is the distance along the curved line making up the arc. B. Length of an arc is longer than the straight distance between the endpoints. That is, length of the arc is longer than the corresponding chord. From the figures 1 and 2, we infer that the length of the arc depends upon the radius of the circle if central angles of the two circles remain the same. From the figures 3 and 4, we infer that the length of the arc depends upon the central angle if radii of the two circles remain the same. C. An arc is a part of the circle. Therefore, length of the arc upon circumference equals to theta upon 360. Or length of the arc equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by circumference denoted by C. Length of the arc L equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Length of the corresponding major arc equals to the difference between circumference and length of the minor arc. Example: an arc of a circle of radius 7 centimeters subtends an angle of 36 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Solution: central angle theta equals to 36 degrees and radius equals to 7 centimeters as given. Formula: length of the arc L equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. Putting the values in the formula, we get length of the arc equals to 36 upon 360 multiplied by 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. That equals to 44 upon 10. Therefore, length of the arc is 4.4 centimeters. Area of a sector. A. Sector of a circle is the part of the circle enclosed by two radii of the circle and their intercepted arc, that is, arc between the two ends of radii. B. Area of sector of a circle is the area of the part of the circular region bounded by two radii and the arc. C. The area of a sector depends upon the central angle as well as the radius of the circle. Therefore, area of the sector upon area of the circle equals to theta upon 360. Therefore, area of the sector equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by area of the circle, or area of the sector A equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by area of the circle pi r square. Note, the area of the corresponding major sector equals to the difference between the area of the circle and the area of the minor sector. Example, in a clock, the minute hand is of length 14 centimeters. Find the area covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Solution: in 60 minutes, the minute hand rotates through 360 degrees. Therefore, in 5 minutes, it will rotate through an angle equal to 5 multiplied by 360 upon 60. That equals to 30 degrees. Therefore, the measure of central angle theta equals to 30 degrees. Now, radius of the circle r equals to length of the minute hand, that equals to 14 centimeters. To find area of sector, that is A, as area of the sector equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Putting the values in the formula, we get area of the given sector, that is A, equals to 30 upon 360 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into 14 square. That equals to 1 upon 12 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into 196. equals to 51.33. Therefore, area covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 centimeters square. Relation between the area of the sector and the length of the arc. L, that is, length of arc, equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r, and A, that is, area of the sector, equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. A equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by half into 2 pi r into r, or half of theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r into r, as theta upon 360 multiplied by 2 pi r equals to the length of arc. This equation can be written as half of L r. Therefore, A equals to radius upon 2 multiplied by length of the arc. Area of the sector equals to half r multiplied by length of the arc. Note: theta upon 360 equals to L upon 2 pi r equals to A upon pi r square. Example: a horse is tied to a pole fixed at one corner of a 20-meter by 30-meter field of grass by 10-meter long rope. If the length of the arc in which the horse can graze is 15.7 meters, then find the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze. Solution: the shaded portion in the figure indicates the area in which the horse can graze. P is the position of the pole. The field is rectangular. Therefore, theta is equal to 90 degrees. Each angle is a right angle. The area in which the horse can graze is a sector with radius 10 meters. Area of a sector is equal to r by 2 multiplied by length of arc. Area of a sector is equal to 10 by 2 multiplied by 15.7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 15.7 is equal to 78.5 meters square. Therefore, the area in which the horse can graze is 78.5 meters square. Area of the segment of the circle. Segment. A segment of a circle is the region bounded by a chord and an arc. In the given figure, PRQ is the minor segment. The corresponding major segment is PSQ. Steps for finding the area of the segment of a circle. 1. Find the area of the corresponding minor sector represented by OPRQ. 2. Find area of triangle POQ. 3. Area of minor segment PRQ equals to area of the minor sector OPRQ minus area of the triangle OPQ. We know that area of the major segment equals to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle with respect to theta, that is, the angle between the two sides of a triangle. In triangle ABC, angle A equals to theta. AC equals to B and AB equals to C. Segment BD is perpendicular to side AC. In right angle triangle ABD, sin A equals to BD upon AB, where BD is the opposite side and AB is the hypotenuse. Or BD equals to AB sin A, that equals to C sin A. Area of triangle ABC equals to half base multiplied by height. That equals to half AC multiplied by BD, or half B multiplied by C into sin A, or half BC sin A. In the given figure, AB equals to C equals to R, AC equals to B equals to R, and angle A equals to theta. Area of triangle ABC equals to half BC sin A equals to half R into R sin theta equals to half R square sin theta. Area of the sector ABXC equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square. Area of segment BXC equals to area of sector ABXC minus area of triangle ABC. That equals to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square minus half r square sin theta equals to r square multiplied by pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Area of the segment equals to r square multiplied by pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2.